So I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 5mm crochet hook. You can, with medium worsted, you can use between 5 and 6mm crochet hook. You can go larger if you want, depends on your project, up to 7mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. One double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So this is my first V-stitch. I'm gonna chain 3. In the previous V-stitch, I'm gonna make a double V-stitch. So means double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, first V-stitch, and again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, another V-stitch. So this is the first increase. I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. Now I've got the 2 V-stitches and the spaces. Oops. So yeah, so the V-stitch here and here. So I'm gonna work a double V-stitch in the previous V-stitch. That means 2 V-stitches in the previous V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, that's 1 V-stitch, and the second V-stitch in the same one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That's 2 V-stitch, and in the next or previous V-stitch another single V-stitch this time. And a double crochet in the last space, which was the chain 3. Okay, so I'm gonna chain 3, and again I've got the V-stitch over here, not in the I've got the V-stitch over here, not in the previous space, the chain 1 space. Again I'm gonna work a double V-stitch, means 1 V-stitch and another V-stitch. And in the next V-stitch, a single V-stitch. And in the next V-stitch, a single V-stitch. And a double crochet in the last chain 3 space. So this is how the increase is going on so far. We continue the same way. Chain 3 and a double V-stitch, means 2 V-stitches in the previous V-stitch. And okay, 1 V-stitch, the last V-stitch, chain 1 and double crochet in the last space. Again chain 3 and a double V-stitch in the next V-stitch. So we're working the V-stitches only in the previous ones, in the previous V-stitches, not in between them. I hope it's clear. We continue, and the increase is happening only in the beginning of each row. We start with chain 3 and then we do the double V-stitch in the first V-stitch, not in the spaces. And double crochet in the last space. So this is how it is so far. This is the normal granny triangle, striped V-stitch triangle. This is one way of doing it. It's perfect if you want to make a bandana, headscarf, or a shawl. If you want to make it even larger, you can do the increase in the beginning of the row and at the end of the row. That means we did here a double V-stitch, means 2 V-stitches in one chain 1 space. You can do the same in the last V-stitch, 2 V-stitches to increase the triangle even more for whichever project you are doing. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy. It is easy if you follow the video and the written pattern as well. You'll be able to achieve your own. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.